Are you using a new Tello SIM card and don't know how to activate it? Don't worry how. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to activate Tello SIM easily.
Before activation, make sure you have an unlocked phone, your Tello SIM card, and a Wi-Fi or internet connection.
Now insert the Tello SIM card into your phone and turn the device on.
Next, open your browser and go to tello.com/activate. Enter your Tello SIM activation code or log in using your Tello account. If you're a new user, create a free account.
Now choose a plan that fits your needs. Tello allows you to customize data, calls, and text.
Confirm your details and tap on Activate. Wait a few minutes while Tello activates your SIM. Once activation is complete, restart your phone to apply network settings. If you see network bars and internet is working, your Tello SIM is successfully activated.
If the SIM doesn't work, check. Phone is unlocked. Correct APN settings. Restart your phone again.
That's it. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with others using Tello SIM. Thanks for watching.